Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that are essential for keeping the heart healthy, and all clinicians agree that the best way to get omega-3 fatty acids is to use fish oil. But do daily meals of fish oil capsules prove to be beneficial in this regard? Well, there is still confusion about this. Know some of the benefits that come from fish oil capsules. To strengthen the physical defense system. In many countries, these secreted acids are added to various nutrients such as butter or margarine, which is also a component of omega-3 fatty acids contained in fish oil, which strengthens the body's immune system while also infecting the body. Helps fight. Useful for bones. According to research from the University of Maryland, omega-3 fatty acids help maintain healthy bones. Medical reports suggest that fatty acids increase the amount of calcium absorbed in the body while reducing their excretion through urine, which promotes bone strengthening and growth. Useful for mental disorders. Omega-3 fatty acids, an important component of fish oil, are important for healthy brain function, and according to medical reports, fatty acids have a positive effect on people suffering from depression. Useful for sight. The fatty acids contained in this oil help in the extraction of fluid, which reduces the pressure on the bottom of the eye. Its use can help to some extent to prevent various vision problems.